Yeah, baby! One of the best packages I've ever gotten is inside this box right now. Let's get into it. What's up, everybody? As you can tell from this title, a lot of you guys clicked this to see me unbox something unbelievable, and that's exactly what this is. This is not a clickbait title. This is probably one of the best packages I've ever received. I've waited so long to get this. This whole video in general is one that isn't really one that everybody can do because, well, it's an award. Inside of this box is my iHeartRadio MMVA that I won back in August.
And the winner is... Dan Roto!
No! Oh my God, guys, this is insane! The only way I could get this package is because you guys voted for me. Now, I got an email when I was in Nashville. I just got back last night. I was told it was gonna take 6 months to get my MMVA. A lot of you guys are confused because I already did a video showing my MMVA. However, this is not my MMVA. This was just one that they gave me temporarily so I could do a video on it until I got my actual one. The company that actually makes these awards is called Society Awards. This company makes every big award you can think of. I'm gonna go through them right now. If you go under Our Creations, it shows you all the awards this company actually makes. They do the Billboard Music Awards, the American Music Awards, Video Game Awards. They do the awards for The Voice, MTV Moon Man. They do the Emmy Awards, the CMT Awards. They did America's Best Dance Crew Awards, like the BET Awards. There's the MMVA right there. And the list goes on and on. Needless to say, this company makes all of the big, massive awards. Now, I freaking have one in my house, which is amazing. So when I won this, somebody said, congrats. It's gonna take 6 months to get your award. Didn't quite take that long. Honestly, it only took about a month and a half to get this. The only other time I got a package like this that I was so excited for was when I got my silver play button from YouTube. Let's go ahead. Okay. Ooh, more paper. So it's just a bunch of paper. It's just a bunch of paper and a black box. Okay. It's got like black paper on this gold box. This looks like a giant gold bar. Let's open this up. Here we go. Ready? This is such a freaking exciting moment for me. Ready? It's got like a padded top on it. Comes with a cleaning cloth for my award. Comes with this little envelope. It says, so this is the COA, Certificate of Authenticity right here. Society Awards would like to congratulate you on your award. Each Society Award creation is artfully designed and fashioned by a master craftsman. I think there's more in here. It actually tells you how to care for your award, so there's instructions here. It says never use any cleaners of any kind. Here's the actual award right here. It's in like a bed. So there's like the casing. There it is, baby! See that, baby? Dan Roto, 2018. Damn, this is fresh. So there isn't really a whole lot to it other than this is my award, this MMVA. It's got the Much logo right there, you can see right through it. It says, you're a winner. Yes! Got the iHeartRadio MMVA logo on there. Fan fave, Much creator. This is amazing. Guys, this is amazing. This is the official MMVA that I won. This one is mine. This one is not mine. I'm gonna return that now, and I'm gonna proudly freaking display this on my shelf. But for now, I'm gonna put it back in its casing. So there it is, guys, right there. Put that back in. And I will have this forever. That's what's so cool about it is I wanna care for this forever. You ever been to like your grandparents' house where you see something and you're like, oh, cool. That's what this is gonna be one day. My grandkids will open this up and be like, oh, wow. This is Grandpa's MMVA. Like, that's exactly how it's gonna be. So yeah, guys, there you have it. There wasn't too much involved with this. I just wanted to show you guys the process for what it's like to actually win this award and what it's like to get it. Ladies and gentlemen, my MMVA. Oh my God. This whole process and this moment of winning this award was one of the best things that happened to me in 2018. So far this year's kind of been like, but this award will be a highlight, honestly, for probably the rest of my life. I'll remember the year 2018 because of this award. I'm super honored and proud to have won this. I grew up watching the MMVA, so now that I have one in my house, you guys at home helped me win. It's unbelievable. Yeah, guys, quick video on a Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for giving me this content and allowing me to win this award. It means a lot. You guys will also be happy to know that I had some merch on the way. I just put in the final changes and designs for a few different merch pieces. So that's kind of cool. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing to my channel and supporting me and all that stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday for my next video. All right, see you guys later.